Hello viewers all around the world. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the Autobet function in the RouleGENIUS app. We're going to cover how does Autobet work, then I'm going to demonstrate the actual Autobet function for you, and then we're going to configure our own Autobet settings so you know how to do this in the future. How does Autobet work? This option helps to put faster bets on the given predictions. It is not an autopilot bot. The modern online roulettes can easily detect autopilot bots since there is a repetition of actions, and after 5 to 7 minutes of use, all these tools fail. Currently, the Autobet function is only available for Windows devices, and we will explain in another video how to install the Windows app on a Mac. Let me demonstrate how Autobet works, and then I'll show you how to configure the Autobet function for yourself. Simply put, Autobet manually places a bet on all the hot predictions in 1 second, based on your chosen strategy. If you chose 10 numbers on the XX hot numbers strategy, Autobet will place a bet on those 10 numbers at your roulette. It does not do this by getting access to your account and login information, but by analyzing the size of your screen and simply clicking on the precise spots where those numbers on your roulette table appear. How to configure your Autobet settings. Let me show you by setting my own configuration. When you click the Autobet tab at the top of the screen, you will see a big Start button. Before clicking this, open up your roulette game at your casino. Make sure not to scroll on this screen or move it around once you have it set up, because that will mess up the Autobet configurations that we're about to set. Once you have the game open and set in a comfortable position, go to your RouleGENIUS app and click on the Start button. Now you are able to collect coordinates. You will simply click where the number is on your roulette game. So for the 0 coordinate, click where the 0 is. For the 1 coordinate, click where the 1 is. Proceed with this until you get to number 36. Please note that the coordinate text boxes are editable, so in case any coordinates are wrong, it can be removed or edited manually. Then you can return to collecting the rest of the numbers. You will see that it notifies you that you are done and you can start playing. The Autobet demonstration. Now when you get a set of 10 predictions, you can simply click the Autobet button and it will place those 10 bets for you. Important things to note. You can save your coordinates for future use, but that means your screen must be in the exact same position every time you play. This is quite hard to do, but if you play in full screen mode, it will work great. I personally would recommend setting the coordinates every time you play, just to be sure that everything is working properly. So as you can see through this process, RouleGENIUS does not access your account information in any way. The software simply analyzes the size of your screen and clicks on the areas where you tell it to. That's it, and it does it in less than a second. So in conclusion, I've showed you today how Autobet works and what it is and what it's not. Secondly, I've demonstrated what Autobet looks like in a real-time game. And finally, I've showed you how to set your Autobet configurations so that it knows exactly where to click on your own screen. RouleGENIUS. More powerful, more innovative, and more genius.